Hello everyone, my name is Akshita Agarwal and I'm a clinical dietitian. As you know, these days due to the pandemic and due to the lockdown, all of us are stuck at home. And we are, forced to use screens, whether it is for doing a meeting on Zoom or, taking online classes. So this is leading to a lot of eye fatigue. This is leading to a lot of irritation in the eyes, dryness, weakening of the eye muscles. So through this video, I would like to share a few tips which will help you, in dealing with this kind of eye strain. And then later part of the video, I will share some foods that will, act as a protector for this eye strain. So let us start with the, tips that you can apply. So first and foremost is eye rest. So after about 45 minutes to 1 hour of screen time, try to take a break of minimum 20 minutes. In this 20 minutes, you can either look away from the screen to anything else, or you can just close your eyes and lie down. Second important thing that you can do is eye exercises. So when we have a prolonged exposure to screen and we are watching TV, laptop, computer for a very long time, our eye muscles also tend to become very weak. So this affects our eyesight in long run. So what we can do is, by simple 5 to 10 minutes of eye exercises every day, we can strengthen our eye muscles and therefore strengthen our eye vision. Next important thing is hydration. So a minimum of 8 to 10 glasses of water is recommended for you to consume every day. This will ensure that your eyes don't become very dry or very irritated while you are doing your online classes or doing your Zoom meetings. You are exposed to the screen so much. Next important thing that you can use is artificial tears or eye drops. So these eye drops are not medicated. They are basically the only purpose that they are formulated is to keep your eyes wet. So what you can do is you can either buy these eye spas that are available or artificial tears. Use them so that your eyes are well hydrated, and a well hydrated eye will be less irritated, and it will cause less irritation. Next, we'll discuss about the foods that will help you in providing protection against, prolonged screen times or the eye strain. So, two major problems that occur, due to prolonged screen time is one is dryness of the eyes. So, like I said, you can use, drops. You can drink enough water. Also, omega 3 has been seen to be very effective in keeping your eyes wet. So the sources of omega 3 includes almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds. For the vegetarian people, fish oil capsules also, and for non-vegetarian people, you can get a good load of omega 3 through eating fishes. So omega 3 will is a very strong antioxidant also, so it will work against the irritation. Also, it will work against the dryness. Second food that will give you protection against the screen time is your green leafy vegetables. So green leafy vegetables contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthins. Their major role is to protect your eyes against the varied light from the screens. So consuming green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, methi, then bathua will protect you against all kind of eye strains which results from the different lighting that we see in the screens. Now, next important food is your antioxidants like vitamin A and vitamin C. They have a very protective role in ensuring a good vision, ensuring a good eye health. So nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin E. So let's start by discussing vitamin A. Vitamin A you can get from all the yellow and orange fruits and vegetables. So green leafy vegetables are very good source. Carrot is a very good source. Pumpkin, your spring onion is a very good source. Then coming on to vitamin C. Vitamin C you can get from all the citrus foods that we have in our diet. I've done a detailed video on vitamin C. I'll leave I will leave a link in the description so that you can see all the different sources of vitamin C. Both of them have a very good protective function because they are anti-inflammatory. So any kind of eye irritation is also dealt with when you're taking vitamin A and vitamin C. Another source, another important nutrient is vitamin E. So all the sources that I mentioned for omega 3 are also very good sources of vitamin E. So your nuts and seeds are excellent sources. Coming on to your zinc. Zinc is also important for eyesight. It is known to be very significant in the health for the of the retina. Retina is the main part of your eye which ensures the vision. So for zinc, you can take eggs, you can take dark chocolate, you can take green leafy vegetables, and all the nuts and seeds that I mentioned. So if you like, I hope that this video has given you a insight on what you can do to protect your eyes against eye strains. So if you like my video, please share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.